Hello everyone. This video is about the installation of rethinking package in R and especially about an error I got into while executing the ulam function. The installation and execution of quap they worked well, but the ulam function failed. So I'm making this video in the belief that if someone gets into the same kind of error, it will help them fix it. The installation tells there are three steps. First, I went to this website for the C++ toolchain. For my operating system Windows, the tools G++ and Make, they are provided by R244. So I installed it from here. After that, for the second step, to install cmd stand R, I went to this website, copied this code and executed in R terminal like this. I won't press enter now because I have already installed it. And for the second step, this code needs to be executed as well. And finally, the third step, the installation of the rethinking package itself. It, it is done by executing this code in the R terminal itself. After that, the installation is successful. Let's run the quap function. Okay, it works good. Let's also execute the precis function. Okay, it is also working. Now, the ulam function. It, it throws an error. Let's wait. Okay, this is the error. So after some diagnosis with the help of ChatGPT, I got to know that it is due to this DLL, TBB, the DLL. It needed to be fetched from this location, but an identically named DLL was present in system 32, and this was fetched for to the program. So, and again, if you do not have this available here, or you have nothing, then you need to add this to your path. This is available in your user folder in the cmd stand directory up here. To add this to the path, you simply need to go to this location and add this folder tbb, the location of that folder, into your path, which can be done by going into this, and from here you click new and paste the complete path up to, not up to that file, but up to the directory where that file exists, like this. Mine is already present, and we need to remove this DLL. For this, I simply will rename it. Now let's check the ulam function again. First we need to define f. Let's copy it. Let's try to run ulam again. Okay, as you can see, it worked well. Let's also check the precis function for it, which also works. Okay, this much is the video. This was the solution for that issue. Thank you for watching the video.